Deep beneath the surface, the Earth's crust groans and cracks. An immense geological force is unleashed, rocks grinding against each other. Energy waves radiate outward, signaling the start of the cataclysm. The city street is thrown into chaos as the earthquake strikes. Roads buckle and split, buildings sway and shake violently. Dust and debris fill the air, obscuring the once peaceful scene. Inside a shaking home, a family huddles under a sturdy table. Their faces are etched with terror as objects fall around them. From space, a massive hurricane spins, a perfect spiral of destruction. The eye of the storm, a dark void, looms over the planet below. A powerful storm surge builds, a wall of water surging towards the coast. It crashes over the city wall, swallowing houses and cars in its path. Torrential rain lashes down, driven by fierce, unrelenting winds. The morning after the hurricane reveals a scene of utter devastation. Flooded streets reflect the somber sky, roofs torn off buildings. Boats are tossed onto land, a testament to the storm's power. A single ember lands on dry, brittle grass, unseen, unnoticed. It ignites, a tiny flame that quickly grows, fueled by the dry landscape. Intense heat distorts the air as the wildfire begins its relentless march. A terrifying wall of fire rushes through the dry forest. Flames reach hundreds of feet high, consuming everything in their path. Dark smoke blots out the sun, casting a pall over the land. A red air tanker soars through the smoke-filled sky. It drops a curtain of bright red fire retardant over the forest. A symbol of hope against the overwhelming power of the fire. Out at sea, a massive dark wall of water rises ominously. The tsunami moves with relentless speed, a deep blue menace. A low perspective from a boat captures the immense scale of the wave. The tsunami crashes into the coastal city, a churning brown torrent. Buildings are swept away, cars tossed like toys, trees uprooted. An unstoppable force of nature unleashed upon the unsuspecting city. A drone shot reveals a vast urban flood, a sea of water where streets once were. Only the roofs of houses and the tops of traffic lights are visible. People stranded on rooftops await rescue, their faces etched with worry. The reflective water mirrors their desperate situation. A diverse group of people works together, filling sandbags with determination. A community effort to hold back the floodwaters, a united front. Golden hour light casts a warm glow on their determined faces. An emergency preparedness kit glows with a soft light. Flashlight, radio, water bottles, first aid kit, family documents, symbols of safety and preparedness in the face of disaster. A well-organized plan can make all the difference. Time-lapse footage shows a destroyed community slowly being rebuilt. New structures rise from the rubble, brick by brick, board by board. People help each other, neighbors supporting neighbors in their time of need. The spirit of resilience shines through the devastation. The sun begins to break through the clouds, a beacon of hope. A new day dawns, bringing with it the promise of recovery. The community gathers to clear debris and start anew. Children plant new trees, symbolizing growth and renewal. The sound of hammers and saws fills the air, a symphony of rebuilding. Volunteers arrive from all over, offering their support and assistance. Donations pour in, providing much-needed resources for the community. The spirit of compassion and generosity shines brightly. Slowly but surely, the community begins to heal and rebuild. The scars of the disaster remain, but they are a reminder of the community's strength. The human spirit endures, even in the face of unimaginable loss.